Wild places aren't just scenery. They're living ecosystems filled with challenge, tradition, and responsibility. Protecting them falls to a dedicated group of conservation officers who patrol Michigan's forests, fields, and waterways every day. These officers aren't just enforcing laws, they're protecting a way of life. A bear season mystery. During bear season in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, officers receive a tip that raises red flags. A bear has been registered under the name of an elderly woman, something that, while possible, is highly unusual given the terrain and conditions of the hunt. Bear tags in this region are extremely difficult to obtain, often requiring years of applications before being drawn. Because of that, officers know that tag lending, letting someone else shoot an animal under another person's license, is a common and serious violation. When officers arrive at the property, they begin asking routine questions. The story they're told doesn't quite line up. Details about the firearm, the distance traveled, and the physical demands of the hunt don't match the evidence. As the investigation continues, officers review photos, examine the rifle involved, and interview multiple family members. Each person tells a different version of events. Slowly, the truth begins to surface. Evidence doesn't lie. Officers discover inconsistencies between the reported weapon and the rifle actually used. The physical difficulty of accessing the hunting stand also makes the original story unlikely. Eventually, after hours of questioning and mounting evidence, the real shooter admits to killing the bear without holding a valid license. The bear was taken illegally using someone else's tag, a major violation in Michigan. As a result, the firearm is seized, the bear is confiscated, and thousands of dollars in fines and restitution are issued. Why it matters: every legally harvested bear provides important biological data used to manage Michigan's wildlife populations. When someone cheats the system, it doesn't just break the law, it undermines conservation efforts statewide. More than one case. Elsewhere in the state, conservation officers respond to additional calls, from suspicious dumped wildlife that turns out to be legal dog training birds, to deer hunters who fail to properly tag their harvest or operate vehicles without valid licenses. In each case, officers use discretion, experience, and judgment, balancing enforcement with education. Protecting the outdoors. Michigan's conservation officers are fully commissioned law enforcement professionals. Whether they're investigating illegal harvests, checking licenses, or ensuring ethical hunting practices, their mission is the same: to protect wildlife, preserve natural resources, and ensure that future generations can enjoy the outdoors the right way.